Need to make a stunning presentation in the next 3 minutes, but you have absolutely zero design skills? You are in the right place. Today, we're looking at MagicSlides, an AI-powered presentation maker designed to take you from a simple idea to a finished slide deck in just one click. Whether you are a student, a creator, or a professional, this tool is built to save you hours of frustration. Let's talk about how it actually works. MagicSlides makes the process incredibly simple, with 3 basic steps. First, you provide your source material, and this is where the tool gets really interesting. You aren't just limited to typing in a basic topic. You can paste text, upload a PDF or a Word document, input a website URL, or even drop in a YouTube link. The AI will analyze the content for you. Second, you select or customize a template to match your style. And third, you let the AI presentation maker take over to generate your ready-to-use slides. In terms of standout features, MagicSlides supports over 136 languages, making it highly versatile for global teams or language students. It also features an inbuilt AI chat assistant, which acts like your personal design co-pilot to help you refine and edit your presentation on the fly. Now, let's be completely transparent. While MagicSlides is trusted by over 2 million users and has helped generate over 10 million presentations, we don't currently have a large database of independent user reviews to share today. Because of this, we highly recommend testing out their free trial version first. This way, you can see firsthand how well the AI templates and layouts fit your specific project needs before committing. If you want to skip the manual formatting and try it out for yourself, head over to magicslides.app to build your first presentation for free. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more practical AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments how MagicSlides worked for you. See you in the next video.